will talk about how can you manage limits you don't want to show on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, you click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down and you come here to limit ads about these topics here. We'll do our best not to show them here. So on your account can you control it. If you don't show alcohol, you just click on this sign or dating or gambling or progression here or weight loss. So here can you choose. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.